Welcome back, lovelies. Today we're diving into something fun, the Universal Standard Mystery Box. Every year they do these surprise boxes where you get 2, 3, or 4 pieces from their best sellers list for a fraction of the price. Who doesn't love a good mystery and a sale? But here's the big question. Is it worth it? Let's find out together. Full disclosure, I've dabbled in Universal Standard before. I've tried a few pieces, but I'm still kind of a newbie in their world. So when they reached out and asked if I wanted to try their mystery box, I was like, yes, please. And here's what they sent me. First up, we've got these comfort denim drawstring jean trousers in an extra large. Now, I gotta be honest, drawstrings and denim, not exactly my favorite combo. I don't believe they belong together. I actually hate it. Spoiler alert, I don't think I'm gonna like these. I am open because I try to be that way when I try on clothes, but first impressions are not good. Next is the cooling stretch Cooper button-down blouse in this beautiful berry color, size large. First impressions, love the color and the fabric is ridiculously soft. I can already tell there's that quality and that fit that Universal Standard is known for. Then there's this shirt dress. I couldn't even find it on their website. Maybe it's sold out already. It's got a summer vibe to it, but the color is all fall. Me and green, ooh, we go together real bad, okay? And last but not least, we have the Upstate Stretch Cotton Twill Manor Jacket in black, size large as well. Black is always a good idea, right? Let's kick things off with these drawstring denim trousers. I'm not gonna say I told you so, but I told you so. Drawstrings on denim, I hate it. They don't belong, okay? I really wanted to love these. Well, no, that's not true. I didn't want to love them. I said I wouldn't love them, and here we are not loving them. They are just not doing it for me. And I have seen Universal Standard's denim selection. I am a little disappointed that out of all of the denim possibilities, this is what I got. Come on. Maybe I can save the look with this blouse and some cute shoes. Okay, yeah, no, it's not getting better. I can totally work with the blouse. We can make a lot of cute outfits out of that. This combo though, ugh, it is seriously bringing up some childhood fashion trauma for me. This is actually a great moment to talk about something important. There's a difference between clothes that fit, you liking how the clothes fit, and clothes that fit your style. For me, if it's not hitting all three, it's not staying in my closet. Speaking of my closet, I'm launching a Patreon soon where I'll be doing monthly giveaways. I'm super excited. So make sure you're subscribed to my blog at elliemariyo.com so you know exactly when that's happening. If there's anyone who liked them, these jeans are definitely going in that giveaway pile, but don't worry, I've got some insanely cute pieces too. All right, moving to the shirt dress. It's cute, but a bit big. Crazy enough, this is a size large. I honestly could have gone with a medium though. A quick note for anyone unfamiliar with Universal Standard sizing, they design based on the average size of a woman, which is an 18-20. So that's their medium. I'm typically a 22-24 on top, so I usually go with a large, and a 24-26 on bottom, so a large or extra large. If I had to make an outfit out of this dress in 2 minutes, here's what I would do. This fedora, these cute cowboy boots that I just bought, and I mean, I need something to snatch the waist, so we're going with the chain belt. Oh, and this cute little satchel to finish it off. Yeah, we can work with this. She's a keeper. Fall is here and it is getting colder, so you could pair this with a cropped faux leather jacket, either in like a brown color, tan color, or even black. Or you could do a white turtleneck or a tan turtleneck underneath. I feel like either of those would be really cute. Now for the last piece, the Manor Jacket. I need something to try it on with. I just bought this white dress. It's so cute. Not from Universal Standard, but very cute. This outfit together is giving me corporate vibes, like I should be heading into the office, but I work from home. We don't dress like this at home. And even when I do go into the office, I have become so much more a suits girl. That's where I gravitate towards. This outfit, it's almost there. I'm missing that little oomph that I like to feel when I put on my clothes where I'm like, yes, this is it. But the jacket itself, the quality is amazing. It's sturdy, thick. It definitely feels premium. I can work with this. So back to our original question. Is the Universal Standard Mystery Box worth it? If you've never tried them before, I'd say absolutely yes. It's a great introduction to their brand and you'll get a nice variety. But if you already enjoy Universal Standard, you might want to skip the mystery and put that money towards pieces you know you'll love. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fashion, fun, and all around good vibes. Keep shining, keep smiling. Until next time, lovelies. Bye.